A security camera is a perfect way to keep tabs on your house when you are away. Moreover, you can see what your children or pets do when you are not with them. By the way, most modern security cameras sync with an app on your phone. Thus, you know what is going on at your place being anywhere in the world. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. WYZE Cam Outdoor. The feature-packed night vision mode of the WYZE Cam Outdoor security camera includes day/night vision, which provides the ability to view the area around the perimeter of your property from a remote location. With the included infrared illuminator, the camera will detect any light sources within its range. This device is equipped with a powerful, fully-featured 2.4 GHz wireless transmitter. Simply add the local storage to your home security system and place the camera where you want to view. You can then use the computer to view and control the captured images via your computer screen or an iPhone. Number 2. Ring Stick-Up Cam. The Ring Stick-Up Cam security camera features a high-definition video so you are able to view your footage in true HD, which is the best you can get. This kind of clarity means you are able to see every detail, even those that are difficult to see at night. This means that even during a low-light situation, such as during the early evening or at night, the camera will record whatever is happening in real time. With night vision, the quality of the video will be of an extremely high standard and ensure your footage is clear and of good quality. Number 3. LaView for PC. The LaView security cameras is a great addition to a home or even business that requires security. These professional cameras combine high-definition video with state-of-the-art image capture and monitoring capabilities that will allow you to view your home visually on a full HD resolution. The night vision option is very helpful if you want to see what is going on when you are not around. The two-way audio option makes these cameras a great addition to any home security system. They offer a one-way communication option from the camera to the monitor, so you will never miss a face among the activity around you home. Number 4. Ring Indoor. Ring Indoor Cam security camera is the best choice for you if you want to monitor your home's interior as well as exterior. One of the best features of this camera is that it is installed with both night vision and daytime vision capability. This enables it to monitor both day and nighttime activities in your home. It offers high-resolution imaging, high-speed imaging, digital zoom, pan/tilt/zoom, and facial recognition. It is capable of recording videos in minutes and takes around 10 seconds to record the video. The video quality of this indoor security camera is good enough to be used as the primary camera.